Hey DIY enthusiasts, today we're diving into the world of homemade hot tubs. I'll show you 7 creative ways to build your own relaxing oasis without breaking the bank. Let's get started. First up, we have the Pallet hot tub. You'll need wooden pallets, a large plastic liner, screws, and waterproof sealant. Start by constructing a frame using pallets to create your desired shape. Line the inside with a heavy-duty plastic liner. Seal any gaps with waterproof sealant to prevent leaks. For better heat retention, add insulation around the outside. Pro tip: sand down the pallets to avoid splinters and apply a weather-resistant finish for longevity. Next, let's transform a livestock stock tank into a cozy hot tub. You'll need a stock tank, cedar boards, and a heat exchanger. Place the stock tank on a sturdy base made from wood or concrete. Wrap the tank in cedar boards for a rustic look and added insulation. Install a stainless steel heat exchanger or make a coil from copper tubing. Connect your heating system. You can use wood fire or propane. Remember, proper insulation is key to maintaining water temperature. For a more permanent solution, consider a concrete block hot tub. You'll need concrete blocks, rebar, concrete mix, and plumbing fixtures. Lay out your design using concrete blocks for the walls. Reinforce with rebar and fill blocks with concrete for stability. Install plumbing for jets and drainage before sealing gaps with more concrete. Finish with tiles or a waterproof coating for a polished look. This method offers great customization options for size and shape. Get off the grid with a wood-fired hot tub. You'll need an old LPG gas bottle, a bulk liquid storage tank, stainless steel tubing, and some scrap materials. Cut holes in the gas bottle to insert the stainless steel tubing as a heat exchanger. Use the bulk storage tank as the hot tub body, insulating it with the scrap materials. Heat the water by lighting a fire underneath the gas bottle. This eco-friendly option is perfect for remote locations. On a budget, try the Rubbermaid container hot tub. You'll need a large 150-gallon Rubbermaid container and a heating element. Fill the container with water. Install an immersion heater to warm it up. For a spa-like experience, add small jets using PVC pipes. This is a great temporary solution or for small spaces. For the eco-conscious, here's a solar-powered hot tub. You'll need galvanized tin roofing, coiled tubing, and a large water container. Create a solar panel by laying coiled tubing under glass or clear plastic sheets. Connect this system to your hot tub setup. Let the sun do the work of heating your water. This method might take longer to heat up, but it's energy efficient and cost-effective in the long run. Lastly, for a luxurious feel, try a DIY in-ground hot tub. You'll need concrete, rebar, and waterproofing materials. Dig out an area for your hot tub. Build walls using concrete and rebar for support. Install plumbing for jets and ensure proper drainage. Seal everything with waterproofing material. This option offers a sleek, integrated look for your backyard. There you have it, 7 amazing DIY hot tub ideas. Remember to always check local building codes before starting your project. Consider insulation options to keep your hot tub warm longer and save on heating costs. And don't forget to personalize your hot tub area with landscaping or decking to create an inviting space. Which hot tub idea is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY projects. Until next time, happy building!